Hi, Dean here. One of the things I'm passionate about, being a long-term resident at Clear Sky, is the restoring and beautifying of our land. This is something that Kata Sensei has strongly encouraged as part of our quadruple bottom line. I'm also passionate about chips. Not just these kind of chips, but these kind of chips. Wood chips. How do wood chips help us to beautify our land? Let me show you. Snowstorms and heavy winds have caused a lot of trees and big branches to come down over the years. This can make it difficult to move around the property and makes it not as attractive. Fallen limbs and branches on the ground are not only unsightly but also create an increased fire risk by providing fuel on the forest floor. By cleaning up the fallen trees, broken branches, and brush piles and turning them into wood chips, the property becomes more beautiful and easier to move around. Putting wood chips down on our walking trails not only makes them more beautiful and more comfortable to walk on, but helps stop the spread of invasive weeds. I guess you could say my passion makes me a real chipmunk. Not this kind of chipmunk.